Good morning. Welcome back. Today is the deadline to file your taxes, and I know it's a very stressful time for a lot of people, so we've got some help for you here. We have Roger Cowen from Cowen Tax Advisory Group in West Hartford walking us through last-minute tips, and also really important for folks if they know they're not going to get it done today, they know they're not ready, the next best thing is to file an extension. And Roger, you've said that it's a very simple process, right? So walk us through. What do people need to keep in mind?
What do people need to keep in mind is they need to file a 4868 form today. They can get that at irs.gov.
And you have a printed copy. For folks
yes,
who
I do have a printed.
Get a good look at what it looks like. And for folks at home who want to do it online, you go to the IRS website right here. This is the original first home page. And then you go to this right here, this option right down here, file an extension. Click there, and that's going to take you to this page here. You can do it online or you can print it. So once they've done that, what's the next step?
Send that in today, and you have until October 15th to send in a completed return. Please be aware you must pay any money due today to avoid taxes and penalties.
Right, and that's what they hear a lot about, a tax estimate, right? You do need some information. So what information do people need to file that extension?
So number one, if your income is relatively same as it was last year, you can use last year's numbers. Otherwise, take W-2 income, add other income, subtract the standard deduction and any taxes already paid, and that should give you a general number of your taxes owed. Yes.
Information all handy. It shouldn't take but about 10 minutes, right? That's right.
It should, but we live in a world of complications today. Yes.
We just don't want to be stressed out about it because it is something that they can handle on their own if they have that information.
If they can't handle it, consult a tax professional.
Sure. And any tips to keep in mind as people are finishing theirs up?
Well, keep in mind, many times people are in a situation where they hastily do their numbers. That would be a mistake, because mistakes on a tax return are easy to make, hard to fix. So double check everything, and you'll be off and running. I didn't say you're going to round the bases, but you'll be off and running.
Right. So it's your moment to double check those Social Security numbers for you, for your spouse, for your children,
and
right?
Listen, if you're elderly, if you have a new job, if you have other income, businesses, rental property, consult a tax and investment professional to coordinate it to make sure your taxes are as low as possible.
And just go over the last. Keep in mind, if they don't have to file taxes, if they didn't file taxes last year, they shouldn't have to file them again, correct?
If the income is the same, if you didn't need to file a tax return last year, that does not require you to file an extension for this year. But keep in mind, the numbers need to be the same.
Now, this is a very stressful time for people. Any last-minute words of wisdom and guidance for folks at home?
Pray. Pray. Understand that the IRS computer system is quite antiquated. They have 10 million unprocessed returns already. Better to file online and request direct deposit. Those are all helpful tips.
And if you file direct, you're going to get your return quicker.
Hopefully.
That is the hope.
The computer system of the IRS is so old, they say it could qualify for Medicare.
Oh, all right. Thanks for your help. We do appreciate it. I think a lot of viewers will find that very helpful.